Before my semaglutide injections, I'm a strong person, but before my semaglutide injections, I could not just sit here and let these delicious chocolate almonds just like sit around. I couldn't even hold it. I just couldn't. Then when I opened one and then I ate one, I would change.
Look at this face. I know the years are showing. Look at this life. I still don't know where it's going.
I'm taking semaglutide. It helps me keep the beast inside. I do not hear a lot of food chatter, food noise. You know I love you, and that's all I need to know. Thank you. I am so happy that I am taking semaglutide injections for weight loss. It's helping the food noise so that beast do not come out. It's giving me what I need, making my stomach full. It's helping me lose weight. Water weight gone. Thanks, semaglutide.